What's up, Pokemon collectors? Pokemon Central here. Just picked up a couple of these sets of Pokemon packs. They come with little collectible pins and 3 packs of X and Y a piece. I will be opening this one first and then this one right after. So let's get this going. Having a little trouble here. Great. Just ruined the pack. One pack, 2 packs, 3 packs, and this small collectible pin. Pretty nice. So we got 3 different packs. One's Phantom Forces, one's Furious Fist, and another one's Furious Fist as well. There's the backs. And let's get to opening. Names of the Pokemons I don't really know too well. It's been years since I collect these, so don't judge me. Pokemon card trick. As well as Trainer AZ, another trainer, Gengar Spirit Link, Dino, Carablast, Heliocopter, Purloin, Dedenne, Reverse Hollow, whatever his name is, and Rare Swallow. Okay, next pack is gonna be X and Y Furious Fists. Here we go. Card trick. And here it is. Licky Licky, Machoke, Training Center, Drowsy, Golett, Bellsprout, Shelmet, Magmar, Reverse, and Rare Politoed. So not too bad so far, but not great either. Last pack of X and Y Furious Fist. Sorry, this is my first video. Please cope with me. Not that great at this so far, but here we go. Sparkling Robe, Vibrava, Clefairy, Torchic, Pancham, sorry, I'm not good with these names, Poliwag, Shelmet, and a rare okay, here we go.
Thanks.